Multifit is a national high-tech enterprise dedicated to the research and development, production, sales and photovoltaic power station, construction PV clean services of solar power generation. The headquarters is located in Beijing. The production base is located in the National High-Tech Development Zone, Shantou City, Guangdong Province, with a branch in Shenzhen. Our subsidiaries include Beijing Multifit Electrical, Multifit Solar and Multifit Smart. Our company mainly focuses on the technical development, production, sales and the system integration of the solar panel cleaning robot and supporting equipment, the photovoltaic inverter, the portable solar generator, the MPPT photovoltaic controller, the solar LED street lighting system and its supporting products. Moreover, we also concentrate the design, development, investment, construction and operation and maintenance of solar power system projects, electrical automation projects, and the solar panel cleaning service. Since the establishment in 2009, Multifit has cultivated a group of ideal, experienced and skilled sales and R&D teams based on providing world-class solutions for small and medium-sized photovoltaic power plants and innovative research and development of new energy electrical products. Our products have obtained more than 50 patent certificates and have been exported to more than 50 countries and regions in the world such as Europe, America, Asia, Africa and Latin America. Our company has passed ISO 9001-2008 Quality Management System Certification, ISO 14000-2000 Environmental Quality Management System Certification, OHSMS 28001-2001 Occupational Health and Safety Management System Certification, CE Certification, FCC Certification, National Science and Technology Small and Medium Enterprises, Zhongguancun High-Tech Enterprise, abiding by the contract and recredit certification, Guangdong High-Tech Product Certification, Overseas Chinese Board-Listed Company and Shantou Gazelle Enterprise. In the future, our company will adhere to the development mission of high efficiency and energy saving, allowing more people to enjoy green energy. Based on the photovoltaic industry, we strive to build our company into a first-class photovoltaic leading enterprise of photovoltaic construction, clean and maintenance,